And tonight had something wonderful.
Abi aku gaya orang bikin
वहाँ पे नहीं है क्या लिफ्ट?
कहाँ पे रहेगा? यही है एक नंबर साइड, 2 नंबर उधर है अलग से। अभी यहाँ
Hai guys, welcome to the show. आज हम लोग जा रहे हैं हैदराबाद।
हमारा ट्रेन आ गया। The next day.
It's a new day, and nothing's really quite going your way. You got bad news that's confusing. You got sad news that you're wounded. And it feels like the worst time. You're worried and scared and not fine. You feel unprepared with no sign.
A few moments later.
I'm taking shots at the enemy. I'm gonna make it to the top, leave a legacy. If I got something to say, you better let me speak. Turn it up a new degree, bitch, you ain't seen anything. I pop off with the new rock, electronic, blow the sonic roof up. I'm too honest when I take a few shots. They're too toxic, need to take the new song. And you cannot save me, 'cause I don't need saving. It's everything I've been chasing, all here for the taking. Don't wanna test your luck with me, I think I've had enough disease. I'm sick of all the bad thoughts, people who are half-nots.
You were not as tough as
Eternity later.
Tôi बोल रहे हैं और यहाँ पे जो आए हैं और यहाँ पे हो गए और यहाँ पे मैं हूँ और यहाँ पे किचन है और यहाँ पे बाहर अभी आए हो गए हैं और यहाँ पे बिल्डिंग है से बाबा को बोला हमारा बेडरूम है और यहाँ पे कोई का बेडरूम है।